The second use case of what you can do with your liquid staked Atom is that you can lend them out on Mars protocol. Mars protocol is basically the Aave in Cosmos. It's a lending protocol where you can also earn extra yield. On a strategic and philosophical layer, Persistence really wants to align more with Neutron and also maximize the use cases for stkATOM within the Atom economic zone. stkATOM is also now part of the Atom economic zone with Cosmos Hub protocol owned liquidity. There was also actually a proposal that passed very recently. We covered that here on this channel as well. And also there are external incentives for the stkATOM pool on Astroport coming very soon. In addition, Persistence Labs also acquired Astro tokens to support stkATOM and other ecosystem tokens for the upcoming Astro Wars 2.0 that are coming to Neutron shortly. Now, how can you actually lend out your stkATOM through Mars protocol? First of all, you have to get your stkATOM onto the Neutron chain. You can do that using ibc.fun. And then you have to visit neutron.marsprotocol.io/redbank, where you can then deposit your stkATOM as collateral and borrow other tokens. And Mars is also the place where you can go full degen mode, which obviously is also the riskiest thing that you can do in LSTFi. But if you are a full-on DeFi degen and a veteran when it comes to DeFi, then you can play out with this strategy. For example, you could use stkATOM as collateral to borrow Atom. You can then convert your Atom into stkATOM, deposit these stkATOM in Mars protocol, and repeat. Note, however, that there is a risk of liquidation if stkATOM depacks from Atom. So if you don't really understand what that means, the liquidation risk, and all these kind of things, you should definitely not be doing that. And while this is very common on Ethereum DeFi and maybe even on Solana DeFi, this is something that hasn't seen rapid adoption yet in Cosmos. But I think that people just need to be aware that those things actually already exist today.